I'm finally going to show you how to make my pho broth. It's been long overdue and I am so excited to finally show you. I have my carrots, my celery, my onions, and garlic. Skin on. These are just like the ends. We're gonna roast them so it doesn't have to be beautiful. It has more flavor this way. These are beef bones. And if you look here, you'll see the bone marrow inside. This is what gives the flavor, the richness of the pho broth. Put the bone on top. Okay, we are ready to put the bones and the vegetables in the oven. Now I've preheated my oven at 400. I'm gonna let it cook for 30 to 45 minutes. So now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna season the water with salt. I have my dried herbs and spices here. I'll put that in. That consists of star anise, coriander, cinnamon, and tsaoko seeds, and whatever you want to throw in there. But I love star anise. My fresh herbs. This is my secret ingredient. It's shiitake mushroom. Gives so much richness to the broth. Probably need a bigger pot. It's been 2 hours. The broth has evaporated, so I'm just going to add more water to this. Let's go. More salt. It's about 1 more tablespoon with that. I'll cover it, let it cook again, and I'll check in 1 hour. Look at the broth. It's been 3 hours. I removed all the herbs and spices. It's just plain broth by itself. You see the color? It's due to the shiitake mushroom, because otherwise it would have been more clear. But this is how I like my broth. And to get more broth, with all the things I removed, I went ahead and start another pot, add more water, add more spices. This is the spices that I bought. It has everything in here, from cinnamon to sago, star anise. I just used 1 bag for the first pot. I'm gonna add in the other bag. It comes with this bag, but I don't like to use it. Don't forget to add salt. Let it boil for 3 more hours. And you have yourself extra broth to eat for later. That is the conclusion of making my beef pho broth. Thank you so much for watching. I have a video on what to put on your pho, so refer to that one if you don't know how to put. And that's how I make my beef. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to, and that's how I make my pho. It's beef bone broth, and if you want to know what to put in a pho next, please refer to my video on the ingredients. And that's a wrap.